record in Europe, where he gets plenty of time on the ball and free scoring in a mediocre. Danny Graham has some proven Premier League experience.
7 days a week. You're here today for the wedding of Sarah and John.
Mrs. Graceful, you know the living could be tasteful. We shall all get.
Turn the microphone up. 6:30 with the headlines. Here's Greg.
He's you know, you fell
By 0.3% between.
It's a start. Prices are low every day of the year. Kitchen-compare.com and bathroomcompare.com independently check our prices against the competition sales. And as part of the big B&Q sale, we've dropped these prices even further on selected kitchens and bathrooms through January.